Well, hello everybody. This is Doug Rucker with DougRuckerStore.com, DougRuckerSchool.com, coming to you with another edition this week. Buy Day Friday is actually going to be a Memorial Weekend sale. We've got on sale King's Clean, Wrap, Dougie Fresh. We've got Dug Out, our degreaser. It's on sale. Let's see here. Let me read my pricing off to you. You can just go to the website. It'll all be on sale. DougRuckerStore.com. We'll have it all marked sale items, so you can get to it. F9 bark products will all be on sale. Case pricing as well as gallon pricing. What else are we going to have on sale? We're going to have our power wash gun, the pressure wash gun assembly on sale that comes with the orange gun, the gun swivel, the star-shaped grip, which we are out of. Last weekend we had a sale on that and we just blew through them, but we have more coming in. So a lot of these items on the Buy Day Fridays that we've been having previous, the soft wash guns and all of that, we've just kind of been blowing through them and getting stocked back up. So just be patient with us on shipping. Some of our suppliers are running 1 to 2 days behind before they can ship to us because they're getting open backed up and getting fully staffed again. So they're behind trying to get caught up. So just be patient with us. But we've got these items on sale. Wrap, Dug Out, King's Clean, Dougie Fresh, the bark products, F9 Frontline restoration products. One of the things that we're doing, I talked about this last week in our Buy Day Friday, is, for instance, we'll have on sale the bypass downstream injector like this. You'll actually have the option to pay a lower price and get the parts. In other words, it's unassembled. Or you can pay an upcharge fee. I think this is going to be like $10 and we'll put it together for you. We just need to know if you want the plug in or plug out or whatever, the orientation of your coupler fittings. So however your water is going to flow across your injector, for instance, ours is always the water, the plug points the way of the water. So the arrow on our downstream injector is pointing this way. So you have the option that you can get these assembled or pay a little bit less money and you can assemble them together. So if you're good with a wrench, know how to put these things together, you can save some money. There's a good little lineup of, these are basically all the products that I carry on my truck on a consistent basis. So I just kind of always have these in my video kind of as a backdrop to kind of help me know where the camera is, but that's a good shot of those. And so a lot of things going on. It's been a busy week. Matter of fact, March and April, or April and May have just been super busy, but we're getting things stocked back up. So check out the Memorial Weekend sale. It will start this evening, Friday evening, 7 p.m. it starts and runs until midnight Monday, which would be Tuesday morning when it becomes 12:01 or whatever. So check it all out, and hope this helps you guys be able to get some stuff that you need. We've got, like I said, the soft wash gun kit will be on sale. The J-Rod kits will be on sale. Ball valve setups, downstream injector bypass kit, the pressure washing gun assembly will be on sale. And of course, King's Clean, Dug Out, Wrap, all the F9 products, those will all be on sale as well. So hope this helps you guys. And if you have any questions, hey, leave me a comment or a question. If I can help you in any way, be glad to do that. And let us know what kind of products you use, what kind of products you'd like to see on sale down in the comments, and we'll see what we can do. We want to help you guys out. So don't forget, our online training is available at pressurecleaningschool.com. We've got a great online video school for those not in the Houston area. It's only $4.49, over 200 videos on it. and it'll drastically help your cut your learning curve. There's also a lower priced one that you can watch videos, take a test. It's got a 2-week period that allows you to take them, and you can take them individually. Classes, they range from $79, I think one's $59, a couple are over $100, but that's an excellent resource too, and that's located at cleanersuniversity.com. But my main one at pressurecleaningschool.com has over 200 videos on it. It's a lifetime membership, and you never pay again, and you get access to all those videos that are there, plus the ones that I add. And I'm always adding videos to help out my students. So, DougRuckerStore.com, pressurecleaningschool.com. Y'all have an awesome day. Don't forget to leave me a comment or a question.